Today I'll be replacing the factory fuel pump on my Hummer H3 with a premium Delphi pump. Let's get to it. Now we'll be removing the fuel tank skid plate. I'll remove the straps. You got a bolt there, and I can slip it out on this side. Got a strap on top as well. Using a 3-pound maul and a pin punch, I was able to pop that ring right off. I brought the fuel tank inside to hopefully limit the amount of debris that enters into the tank. So I've got the new lock ring and the fuel pump. I'll go ahead and install that now. There's the float arm. Nice little snap tells me the float arm assembly is seated properly on the fuel level sensor. This O-ring will seat dry. As you can see, this locator lines up with the locator wording on the tank, so I know that I'm in the right position. Now I can get the new lock ring set on. I'm going to go ahead and compress the fuel pump down. Now it's time to grab my brass drift, give this thing a couple whacks, and make sure that that lock ring is properly set. I'll be driving the lock ring clockwise to lock it. The locator's in the correct orientation. The lock tabs are all seated properly. Now it's time for reassembly. Reconnecting the evap line. And with some contact cleaner, I cleaned out the harness connectors for the fuel pump assembly. Now let's hoist this tank back up in here. I started here by lifting the front of the fuel tank up first so that I can clear the rest of everything under here. I've now installed the upper strap. This little plastic piece goes on the center side towards the drive shaft. There's a little protector for the strap to ride on. The fuel line needs to be situated in the right spot. I'm unable to get the fuel tank up here until I got that line in the right spot. I'll go back and connect that line along with those two electrical connectors and the evap hose. Alright, and now for the fuel line hookup. Now I can throw on the skid plate. Put the wheel well back in. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content. See you next time.